But we have a very interesting piece for you as well. As we celebrate this historic milestone for India's freedom, we bring you a special segment built to last, shining a spotlight on the iconic companies that have stood the test of time, from pioneering startups of the early 20th century to modern-day giants. These businesses have not only shaped India's economic landscape, but also delivered remarkable value to investors. Soumeet Sarkar, my colleague, is now joining us with the details of companies that have been listed since 1947.
Well, as these companies are actually built to last, because of the more than 4,200 companies that are listed on BSE, which is Asia's oldest stock exchange, only 18 companies were listed before 1947 and are currently trading on the Bombay Stock Exchange. To start off with the first one, it's Walchand People First. Now, this company got listed back in 1990 and 1919, and the annualized return that this stock has given since 1990, because that's the last data that we have available, the annualized return has been around 5.8%, and this company deals in consulting and training services. The second company on the list is Tata Power. It got listed back in January 1934. Annualized return has been around 11% and this company is into business of generating and distributing power. When it comes to Alembic, now it's a holding company of Alembic Pharma, listed back in 1934. The annualized return has been around 15% and it also has businesses in real estate and power assets as well. When it comes to Kesar Enterprises, now this company is not known by many people. It's a small company. It's listed back in 1934. Annualized return are just 2.4% and is dealing in manufacturing of sugar and ethanol products. Apart from that, there is Bombay Dyeing. Now that's a very known company. The annualized return has been around 4%. Listed back in 1937, is into the business of real estate development, polyester, that is textile and retail as well. Apart from that, it's ACC. The company got listed back in 1937. The annualized return since 1990 has been around 9.4%, and it's a cement manufacturing company. There is Tata Steel, which got listed back in 1939. Annualized return has been around 9.7%. It's a steel manufacturing company. Swan Energy, now this is an interesting company. 14.5% is the return. This company got listed as a textile company back then, but currently is completely into a different business. It's into real estate and developing LNG storage. Apart from that, there is Mukan Limited. The annualized return has been negative 0.5% since 1990. The company got listed back in 1939 and it's into manufacturing of special alloys and other metal products. Rawalgaon Sugar, now it's owned by Reliance Industries, manufacturer of confectionery products, the famous 5% candy. If you remember, the annualized return has been around 6.8% and this company got listed back in 1940. Peninsula Land, listed in 1942, annualized return in negative 4%, is into the business of real estate developing. Walchand Nagar Industries, annualized return of 13.3%, listed back in 1942, is into a capital good and industrial company involved in heavy engineering and foundry machinery shop business. Andhra Cement, as the name goes by, is a cement manufacturing company, annualized return of around 9%, listed back in 1942. Supreme Industries, strong returns has been given, around 19% return since 1990. It's a plastic pipe manufacturing company and it got listed back in 1943. Raja Bahadur, this company got listed back in 1943. Annualized return has been 14.5%. It's just a Pune-based real estate developer. One of its project has been given on lease to TCS. Victoria Mills, it was a fabric manufacturing company back then. Currently, it's a real estate developer just in Alibag area. Annualized return is just 7% and the company got listed back in 1943. Shri Digvijay Cement, as the name goes by, it's a cement manufacturing company, annualized return of 16% and got listed in 1945. And lastly, it's Wipro, one of India's largest IT company, got listed on June 13, 1947, the year when India got independence, and the annualized return has been the highest among all the other companies at around 27%.
Wow. That just goes to show that if you've got time on your hands, more often than not, you're going to make a lot of money. So have some patience. Great list, Soumeet, and thanks so much for that.